Hey, what's up, Kisho holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Kisho. My friends, you know what? The people ask me questions about the Kisho, that when will the price of Kisho increase? What's the current price of Kisho? What's the next move of Kisho? And is there is a chance to the price increase in the June or not, my friends? Keep watch this video for more details and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, my friends, the Kisho latest price in the market is 0.0003 USD dollar is the latest price of the Kisho in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Kisho, so you can see here that now this time the price of Kisho is completely falls down. Now in the last hour, this time in the last 60 minutes, the Kisho also start falls down and the price is going to the earth, my friends. Let's me show you, my friends, the price chart. From the price chart, everyone can understand the future of the Kisho, my friends. My friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Kisho, and from this chart you can see here that the price of Kisho is completely falls down. And if the price of the price chart of the Kisho is falls down, so this means that you are in the loss, my friends. And negative 79.48% price change occur in the Kisho in the last 30 days, my friends. So now the question is that when will the price of Kisho increase, my friends? So my friends, my personal prediction about Kisho is that I think that the price of the Kisho will increase in the next week, my friends. And my personal prediction is that after a falls there is a jump. So absolutely, in a previous time the Kisho price is completely fast down. So I think that it's time to hold, and because I know the Kisho will take a pump in the next week. What do you think about that? Please tell me in the comment box. And what is your opinion? What is your personal prediction about Kisho? Please tell me in the comment box and stay connected, my friends, with the ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.